Hi, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. I sort of a little bit bullish. I mean, the Dow was pretty okay last night. It's back above that 16,000 level, so at least that's something. And again, our market above 5,000. Well, potentially that's the least we could ask for at the moment. So, I think we can start looking at just some trends, if we can trend some stocks back up to this 5,250 level. So obviously, let's hoping for a decent night tonight on the Dow, and I think hopefully the earnings season in the States will just calm a few. If those earnings are good, I think it will relax a few people about these the world markets at the moment. Just having a look at, obviously, we put out GXL today, and again, the reason we put this stock out was fantastic long-term trend. I think this stock had its height was as high as 1074. It came back to this low here at 451. It sprang back up pretty quickly, and it's sort of been touching this support level around this $6.50, and then bang up she went today, and she broke those levels, and she looks this week, and she looks very, very good. Take GXL to the short-term trend, and as you can see, she's doing all the right things. She's getting a really nice, decent swing, and all these plays, a little bit risk reward. GXL is in at the moment. It is potentially talk about it being under takeover offer with private equity looking at it. It is a good story. It is growing its earnings very, very strongly, and I think that'll be a good little trending call, and hopefully we'll do really well from it. Just looking at Northern Star, a few of you the other day were quite surprised when we sold Northern Star because the gold price was doing well, but again, like I explained, it moves in these sort of patterns, and often Northern Star, I did say correctly the other day that I think it would go a little bit higher than that. It did, and bang, down she's come again. I do think she might go somewhere around this maybe 260 level, and if she does and she turns up on a buy signal and gold's looking good, we'll definitely go back into Northern Star and try and make some more money out of the stock. Again, this is a sort of market that if you get a run up like we did on Northern Star, we made 40%. It is a sort of market still that you need to take profits and bank the money. I suppose just having a look at those weekly buy and sell signals quickly. Again, they've been absolutely outstanding, and I think the stocks that we said looked bearish have just been they've been right on the money. I think if you actually look at some of these bearish stocks, I think Wolseley was down 11. You can see the charts here. Wolseley was down at, we said it would be an ugly week for it. It was down 11%. Downer was down at one stage 8.41%. GUD was down at one stage 15.8%. 10 Group was down at one stage 13.04%. Many of the others like MND and SVW and CSR were down over 4% at one stage. So again, these sell signals give us a lot of guidance and warning about possibly which stocks to stay away from. And the buy signals, the ones that had bullish signals, I think they fared okay. The ones that let us down were TRS and SGR. Not too bad, but they weren't particularly spectacular. But all the rest were up around sort of 4.5 to 2.5, some up 3.6% at one stage in the week. I think respectable, but not brilliant. But certainly the sell signals were absolutely brilliant. So I think those buy and sell signals are again giving just tremendous guidance to the stocks that we should obviously be looking at. And just getting on back to another stock, I think that we should obviously it's not in the those buy signals, is Bega Cheese. Again, behaving really nicely. Had that really like that sort of long-term chart, and again looks very nice on that short-term chart. Had that big run up, she's come back, bounced up, and I think she should hold up pretty nicely on this moving average we've got here, and bounce back up quite nicely. So anyway, I look forward to bringing you the weekly buy and sell signals over the weekend. I hope you're all enjoying Equity Story, and I hope now over the next potentially 2 weeks we get a little bit of revival in the market, and we can start seeing some more trends, and hopefully take some profits on some of those trends that we put out just at the beginning of the new year. Anyway, thank you very much, and I look forward to bringing you this report on Monday. Thank you. Good night.